Hello friend, today I'm going to do the unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 gigabytes. This beautiful phone has been gifted by my family during our marriage anniversary time. Uh, yeah, I'm going to use this phone. So I'm going to unbox this. So let's do it together. So this phone is having a little advanced processor than iPhone 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max having a processor bio processor which is called A15, and this one is A16. So let's open this. I'm going to remove the Tor from here. So let's do it.
They've gone environmental friendly and
Yeah.
taken off the plastic.
No, they are not using any plastics polybag. OMG, this is purple, dark purple. See how beautiful is this?
It looks blackish in the camera, but it's purple.
Yeah, so beautiful. Thank you. Thanks to my family. You can see there are three big cameras. So these are really powerful cameras compared to what we had seen in iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this is 48 megapixels. It can have it can go maximum resolution up to 48 megapixels, and it will get you very beautiful pictures and videos. So let's see how it feels in your hand. OMG. Wow. So rich feeling it gives you. And let me take this out slowly. Okay. So this is completely brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max, deep purple in color. See from side, soft edges and very sleeky edges. We have these buttons and space over here to insert your SIM. Okay, and let's try to start this phone. And we have got one cable, charging cable. There is no charger as such.
No doubt.
Yeah, and what we have got, let's see this. These are some stickers, Apple stickers, and some manual. And then this is to insert your SIM, this pin. Let me see if there is anything else. Whether I can take this out? No. Though this is all what we get in this box. So let's start this phone. So it is starting up. Yeah. This is going to be my first ever iPhone ever in my life.
After that, OnePlus.
Yeah, OnePlus T. It is writing something. In all language, I think it is
Saying
telling
hello.
you hello. Isn't it beautiful? Still writing, writing, writing. Hello, finally. Now what? Okay. Okay.
We have
So
to set the
now,
phone up.
yes, I need to do some settings for myself. I will select English. I am right now in Netherlands, so I'll select it's selected Netherlands. Okay, set up iOS. So one more thing, this phone processor is A16 Bionic chip. So this is quite fast compared to the previous processor for 13 Pro Max.
Which
So
had a
that was
A15 chip.
A15. Quick start. Let me set up manually. Set up manually and okay. Preferred language English. So I move forward now. So let's continue with data and privacy. Face ID. I'll set my face. Get started. Yeah, it has taken my video from all that. So, friends, I have kept data transfer from my old phone to my new iPhone Pro 14 Pro Max, and after this, I will be all set to use my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Thank you, my family, for gifting me this lovely phone, and I will be keeping this always with me and using it. Yeah, love you.